Hi everyone, as mentioned in my last two videos, today I again want to share a thing that you should stop doing in 2024 in order to live a better life and manifest your desires simultaneously. And the most important thing is your mindset around messing with your manifestation. What do I mean by it? When we are manifesting something, especially if it is of great importance to us, we pressurize ourselves with the need of being perfect in our manifestation. Like we should not have any negative thought, we should not react to the physical reality to a point that we are scared of being ourselves. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share your views in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel. Now, we fail to realize that we are the creators of our reality, and yes, our reactions should be aligned with what we want. But even if we reacted in the physical reality, stop judging yourself because of that. We need to reframe our mindset around messing our manifestation. We have the power of getting our manifestation even after messing things up. The whole point is to accept that we can make mistake, and even after making mistake we can have our manifestation because we have the power to create. Work on realizing your true nature as a creator. Even if you think that you have messed up everything, you can still have your desires because this is your reality and you are assigning the meaning to everything. So assign the meaning that aligns with you. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, and this will take off the pressure you have created on yourself and will make your journey enjoyable towards your desires. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.